My name's Cassius Rayner. I've worked in film and television for over 20 years now. Everything I do as a professional is now shot with the iPhone in my pocket. It just gave me such a freedom. It's accessible to everyone, and with a little bit of training, all of you could actually be putting up content that's more interesting to watch, is better shot. My biggest belief is practical and just getting on with it.
Today was very educational. I had no idea how to even begin filming on my phone. Cassius really gave me the tips and the resources to be able to start doing so. It was basically just a breath of fresh air. The editing was really fun because it was so easy.
Lighting was very useful as well, just simple basics of light and shade, using a reflector.
The highlight has actually been working with other people. Like there was a real lovely mix of ages.
So you can actually make your work look of high standard without spending too much money, which is important.
But there's like all these techniques and all these skills and all these tools that you can use in your phone, and I feel as if somebody's just kind of like opened my eyes to what's possible.
It was nice for it to be so short and so simple.
I realised that I can do it. I can go away and do it.
That's what I find so exciting about this technology. It's not just for filmmakers, it's for everyone.